School taught you algebra, but never taught you how to handle heartbreak. It taught you how to memorize formulas, but never how to manage your emotions when life hits you hard. It prepared you to be employable, not unstoppable. They gave you grades, they gave you homework, they gave you fear, but they never gave you the mindset to build your own empire. They trained you to chase validation, not freedom. Let's be honest, school wasn't built to create winners. It was designed to produce obedient workers. Sit still, don't question, memorize, obey, get good grades, get a job, stay in line. But life doesn't care about grades. It cares about how disciplined you are, how resilient you are when everything is falling apart, how hungry you are to rise above the average. And here's the brutal truth. School never taught you how to make money. It never taught you how to think independently. It never taught you how to control your thoughts, how to lead people, how to build something from nothing. You know the Pythagorean theorem, but not how to negotiate. You memorize the periodic table, but not how to manage your time, heal from pain, or invest in your future. The system didn't fail you. It was never built for you in the first place. They told you, go to school, get good grades, get a degree, you'll be successful. But they left out the part where life smacks you in the face, and nobody hands you a report card anymore. You want success? You want freedom? Then forget everything they taught you and start learning what actually matters. Read the books no one talks about. Study money, psychology, business, health, communication, because those are the real tools of power. Most millionaires didn't wait for permission. They didn't ask a teacher, am I allowed to build something great? They bled, they failed, they adapted, and they dominated. If you keep playing by the rules they gave you, you'll live the life they planned for you. And that life, it's not success. It's a well-decorated prison.